What's better than a warm pudding on a cold day to warm up your heart and soul? Hi everyone, I'm Grace. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a warm pudding with jackfruit, it's a tropical fruit, and toasted vermicelli. It's really an easy recipe, so I hope you guys will enjoy the recipe and try making it yourself. Let's get started. So I got 2 slices of jackfruit from the ethnic Indian store. This is a ripe jackfruit, and you can easily pull apart the cloves of the fruit. And they have these white stringy things you want to remove. Only the yellow pieces of the fleshy fruit is edible. So that's what we're going to use today to make the pudding. Each of these pieces have a seed inside. You want to definitely cut into it and unpick these fruit pieces before using it for pudding. It's so cold by where we live right now. We're in the winter season, and I was so surprised to find these in the Indian stores, but I'm glad I found them. This is also my way of sneaking in the spring in the middle of a winter. So I'm roughly slicing the fruit to make it cook faster. So I got everything sliced up and ready to go. So let's toast some cashews and raisins. We're going to be using this to garnish the pudding at the end. I toasted some vermicelli using the same pot. I'm also going to cook the jackfruit. I have a cup and a half of fresh coconut milk. I'm going to add a little bit at a time while cooking the jackfruit. If you add all of it at once, it won't cook fast enough. So you want to add a little bit as it cooks through. Add 2 cups of whole milk. Cook it for 5 more minutes. Now we're ready to add the toasted vermicelli. Cook it for another 5 minutes. Then add the rest of the coconut milk. I'm adding powdered cardamom and dry ginger. This will give it a really nice flavor. Cook it for a few more minutes. Looks like it's cooked all the way through. Now we're adding half a cup of molasses. Before adding the molasses, you do want to make sure your pudding is done cooking, because once you add the molasses, it won't cook any further. Now it has a beautiful golden color, and it smells so good inside the house. Now to kick it up a notch, I'm also adding half a teaspoon of vanilla. It's now ready for serving. taste it. Love serving this on a beautiful glass dish. You know what they say, feast your eyes before you taste it. If you make this for a party, your guests would love it. Now I just garnished it again with some of those roasted cashews and raisins. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Until next time, bye for now.